YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today, we're going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Toshi Coin. I'll give you guys a little bit of a market update up to the hour, right? If you guys enjoy this content also, do me a favor and hit the like button, hit the bell notification and the subscribe button so that you know, again, when I'm making this content, I make content and I put it out all throughout the day. But there's a lot going on. There's a lot of developments going on and you just want to keep up on everything. So again, make sure you guys are tapping in and showing some support to the channel. I appreciate it. Also got to let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Cryptocurrency highly volatile, as you guys can see today, up 4%, right? 2.7 trillion market cap. Fear Greed Index coming in at an 18, right? Bitcoin now coming in at an 84.4, right? Are we seeing a breakout here? Are we going to see this thing really start to pump? Just a minute ago, it did hit 85. And people wondering, you know, are we starting to max out right here? This was a key zone of resistance right here. But again, in my opinion, we are still in the hunt right now. Bitcoin is still playing out. We did get some bullish news. And what was the bullish news? We'll talk about the bullish news, right? But as you guys could see, we could have a possible double bottom forming here. We don't want to see rejection off this 85, or again, we're going to be falling into this wedge. What we really are paying attention to, guys, is we want to see a weekly close on Bitcoin above 89K, in my opinion. I want to see this weekly candle close above 89K. That will make me feel a lot better. There's been a lot of speculation about this week candle, especially on this channel. But a lot just throughout crypto. So I'm definitely paying attention again to the 1 week, right? We need to again get up to that 89K. We still have a good ways to go, right? And we have some big resistance ahead of us too at this 85 range. So just be cognizant of that we are seeing a pump today, but we do still got to make it out of the woods. So just pay attention to that. As you guys can see, a lot of the market is responding pretty nicely. This 1 hour chart looking pretty telling though, right? We don't want to be creating a rising wedge here and then see a rejection off of this. We really got to see this candle close green if we want to continue this rally into the weekend. Otherwise, again, we might see another rejection and another sell off into the weekend, but maybe we can close this, this 4 hour candle also green would be big, right? We got to start closing green a couple more of these candles to continue this trend. But again, Bitcoin seeing some nice price rally today. And let's talk about the reason why Bitcoin seeing some price rally. Because again, Toshi Coin reacting super bullish also, as you guys could see, definitely showing some demand. And all the people that said that this project was dead, again, like, I don't know how you don't see that this project is moving with Bitcoin. I mean, if you think that cryptocurrency is dead, then I could understand that. But if you are bullish on Bitcoin and you're watching this Bitcoin pump and then Toshi pump, I don't understand why you would think Toshi Coin is not also correlating with Bitcoin, because I'm watching correlate. But anyways, you guys could see Trump sending out this shockwave just even a couple hours ago that sent the market just roaring. It says our economy will boom like never before, right? Trump giving some big confidence into the market. As you guys could see, this caused Bitcoin surge all the way up to 85. All the way up to 85K, guys, right? Just 2 hours ago, we reclaimed that 85, and now we're seeing if Bitcoin has what it takes to break out. This guy's saying, can Bitcoin hit 90K by the end of today? Also, I want to talk about Sensei, because this guy is one guy that I follow over on Twitter. Also, people like to wonder who I follow, but I like Sensei. I think he does a really good TA, and he's basically thinking that bears will be trapped forever soon. He's thinking Bitcoin just broke 85K. We're so back. This guy has been pretty solid on his TA. And I look at the OG's TA. I do. I have my own TA, but I always pay attention to other people that have been in the space. I try to drown out the noise of retail and hear kind of what these guys are saying about the market and what they feel like a bottom would be to the market. Because again, they're the ones that are actually tracking transactions. They're not just fearing the fear and just selling because homeboy over here sold. They're actually watching on-chain transactions like myself, seeing all these billionaires buying, and they're also looking for zones of accumulation. So if you guys are not following Sensei, I don't give a lot of shout outs to people on Twitter, but I do like following this guy. I feel like he's he's solid in his TA. So again, ultimately, things are always they're always speculative, right? Anything can happen in the market, and nobody can predict the market. But it does pay. It does help to follow people that have been in this market for longer than you. And I don't know that that guy's been in this market longer than me, but I know that that guy gives a good solid TA, and I just feel like real recognize real, so I follow that guy. I don't know how long he's been in. Actually, just started following him this cycle really. But there's a lot of other people that maybe I'll make a whole video of people that I follow on Twitter. Some of you guys probably already have gone through my Twitter following and stuff, or see people that we mutually follow. But I do think that being involved in Twitter is super important, especially being involved in the spaces, guys. I've been in so many spaces on this dip, especially with guys like Binance and HTX and big exchanges. I want to hear what they're talking about because these are the guys that are laying the foundation for cryptocurrency. So if you're long on crypto, I definitely recommend that you be like involved in the space and understand, because you'll get a lot of insight from a lot of people, again, that are industry leaders and that have been in the market longer than you, that have seen different bull cycles, and they can give you insight, and they can kind of let you know a little bit what to expect, right? And I did tell you that we still need to close some of these weak candles strong on Bitcoin, but as you guys could see, Toshi Coin definitely looking pretty solid. If we see a breakout on this one day, boy, we could really see this price start to make a comeback. Hopefully, we want to see this thing really start breaking above, getting back up in that 200 million range. But right now, again, showing great volume. Every day that Bitcoin has been doing well, Toshi Coin has also been doing well, and that's what I'm paying attention to. Again, 3 day looking solid. 1 week, I told you guys this one's going to take a little while to play out. Today's going to be a volatile day. The 2 hour, man, looking super good on Toshi, man. We're seeing another retest of the zone. We got to break this though. 1 hour right now looking like also like we retesting this, but we got to break, right? We don't want to create a bear flag here and see a rejection. Got to see some more volume on Toshi. My opinion, it's going to be dependent on Bitcoin. We might see again some volatility going into this weekend, but I'm definitely paying attention to this bad boy right here, especially in this 4 hour. A lot of these charts starting to look real hot now for Toshi. Again, showing signs of demand, and this is exactly what I look for in a Bitcoin dip. Exactly. So I'm super pleased with Toshi. Again, even if it sees a little rejection or a little test of some of these lower zones, I'm still looking at it. If we decide we want to create a wedge here and drop down to this level and Bitcoin see that correction, then I'm still would think that this is like not a crazy entry point right here. If it drops down lower, I'd still be buying. I don't think that would be a crazy entry point. I'm long on the project. I don't know if you kind of got that, but I'm long on this project for 2025. I've said it maybe a million times, and I'm looking for the cheapest zones to dollar cost average. And so again, I'm not over leveraging. I'm not going to throw my whole bank account in this. I'm not going to go liquidate all of my other positions to buy into Toshi. I'm just looking to dollar cost average. And again, my idea of a dollar cost average would be like maybe half now and then half if we reject off of this. If we decide that we want to pump off of that, then, you know, maybe I'll do half then and half again if we reject. You know, that's just kind of how I treat it. I always kind of go in with half at times like this of uncertainty, with the mentality of like, if this thing breaks down, since I'm long on this project anyway, I'm okay with buying a cheaper price. Some people are not okay with seeing cheaper prices, but I'm definitely okay with it. So again, if Toshi Coin does decide that it does want to reject, I'm not going to be upset. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be like, I got some more time, thank God. But again, I'm seeing this thing perform with Bitcoin, and I'm seeing the community grow. I'm watching the holder count grow, almost now up 1,000 holders during this Bitcoin nastiness for the past couple weeks, like week and a half or so, up like almost 1,000 almost 1,000 holders. So that's what I want to see, you know, and that's what big exchanges want to see. They want to see volume. They want to see that your coin can survive a Bitcoin dip before they list it on their exchange, right? So the fact that Toshi, again, is listed on Coinbase, the fact that they're listed on Kraken, the fact that they're listed on KuCoin, the fact that they're responding pretty well on these dips to this price impact leads me to believe that this coin might be of interest to big exchanges pretty soon, because again, the community is growing. even our Twitter's growing, guys. We've been following Toshi Coin's Twitter now. I don't even remember how big it was when we started. I want to say around like maybe 5,000 even, and now this thing is well over 100,000 followers, close to 110,000 followers now. So this community slowly getting over on X. What would happen if we had all 550,000 people that are holding this over on X, and we were following Toshi and we were all engaging in content and stuff like that? Well, I do think at one point we will have 550,000 followers. I know that sounds crazy and some people don't believe that, but I just feel like we're early on crypto. I feel like Toshi Coin can honestly hit 1 million holders this bull cycle even in 2025. I think that Toshi Coin can hit a million holders. I know that sounds crazy to some people, but again, I know that FOMO can drive a market too. And these guys will FOMO. They will FOMO into projects once they see Bitcoin is doing well. And I'm hoping that Toshi Coin is going to be one of those projects. It does seem like every time Bitcoin decides it wants to pump, again, Toshi Coin showing demand, right? So again, I'm paying attention to it. I think a lot of big exchanges are paying attention to it, but I don't know that for sure. But I'm pretty sure. We'll see though. What do you guys think? You guys think that Toshi Coin is going to see some big listings coming soon? You guys think that the market is starting to turn around? Do you guys think that we need more and more retests of those lows, right? Do you guys think that we close our weekly candle solid? Do you guys think that we see a little bit of turbulence? We do know, again, there's a lot of volatility in the market right now, a lot of uncertainty. Seems like in the past couple of weeks that we've had a hard time having bullish news pump the market. Do you guys think that bullish news can still pump this market? Or again, do you guys think that we are just in the midst of a correction? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. It's always speculative. It's never financial advice. You always have to do your own research. And yeah. Just remember, guys, if nobody loves you, your boy Crypto J loves you. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.